Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Virtual Preschool. I am so glad you have decided to join me for circle time today. Let's figure out what day of the week it is. What was the last day of school we had? Monday. Tuesday. So today is Wednesday. Yes, we'll move our rainbow arrow down to Wednesday. All right. And who remembers the name of our month? April. Yes. So let's go ahead and count the number. Oh, and April showers bring May flowers, remember? So let's count the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and what number comes next? 13. Yes, and let's figure out the pattern. Umbrella, umbrella, flower, flower. What's going to come next? Umbrella. Yes, so we have a number 13 with an umbrella on it. All right, that was yesterday. That was a 3's class day. So 11, 12, 13. What comes next? 14. And the pattern, umbrella, umbrella, flower, flower, umbrella, umbrella. Yes, so we have a number 14 with an umbrella on it. All right, so let's say the whole date. Today is Wednesday, April 14th, 2021. And let's go ahead and look out the window and see what the weather is like at your house. So when you look out the window, is it partly cloudy, cloudy, sunny, windy, rainy, stormy, or hopefully not snowy? Step out your door to see if it is burning hot, hot, warm, cool, cold, or freezing cold. And don't forget to check the temperature on your weather app so that you know the number that goes with the temperature, all right? So this week we've been talking about birds, right? Because in the spring, all the birds that flew south for the winter to stay warm are coming back, right? So not all the birds flew south. Some stay around, but some fly south, and those are coming back. And remember, we read this book the other day called Birds, and it talked about the fact that all birds have feathers, all birds build nests, all birds lay eggs, right? Birds come in all different colors, right? So right now is when they are building their nests and laying their eggs, and the eggs are hatching. So let's see what our book is about today in our mystery envelope. So this book is called Birds' Nests. So let's find out all about birds' nests. High in the sky, up in the trees, there are all kinds of birds. Here they come now. High in the branches, up in the trees, they build their nests. They build their homes, right? Just like we live in a house or an apartment or something like that, birds live in a nest. High near a rooftop, look up and see. This bird makes a nest from mud and straw. Down in the reeds, look and see. This bird makes a nest that hangs from a tree. Some birds weave their nests. Other nests can float. Boy, that's pretty talented, isn't it, to make a floating nest? That would be kind of like if we lived on a houseboat, right? Why do birds build nests? What are they for? Nests keep eggs safe. They help keep eggs warm. Now the eggs hatch. The babies are born. High in the sky, up in the trees. Soon the babies try to fly. Can they do it? Yes, they will. Look up and see. All right, so I have some things to show you today. The first one is a Counting Eggs book, and unfortunately it has already been written in because I started recording Circle Time once already today and YouTube cut out, so I had to do it again. So some of the pages are written on already. So it says Counting Eggs. And on the first page, what you're going to do is count the eggs in the nest. So how many eggs are there? 1. Yep, so then you'll write the number 1, or you could write or trace the word 1 up there too. So it says, I see 1 egg in the nest. All right, the next page says, or has, how many eggs are in this nest? 2. So it says, I see 2 eggs in the nest, right? And you can write the number, or you can write or trace the number word. All right, so how many are in this nest? 3. So then you'll write the number 3, or write or trace the word 3 up in the blank. So it says, I see 3 eggs in the nest. All right, now how many eggs are in this nest? 4, right? So you're going to write the number 4 up there. I see 4 eggs in the nest. So you can write the number or the number word. Now this one, let's see here. I see, how many eggs are here now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. So you can write the number 5 or write or trace the word 5. I see 5 eggs in the nest. All right, and then this page, how many eggs are in this nest? No eggs, right? But how many baby birds are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But the sentence says, I see blank eggs in the nest. How many eggs are there? 0. Yes, so I see 0 eggs in the nest. And then this last page just shows the nests and the numbers and the number words. All right? Then we have 2 different bird stories to tell, all right? So let's see here. Let's do the building nest one first. So you have this in your packet. It is a story about a robin building a nest. You also have a long piece of paper. You're going to use this piece of paper for 2 different bird stories, one on each side, all right? So the first thing you're going to do is cut the pieces apart on the dotted line, remembering to keep your thumb up. And then we are going to tell the story of how a robin builds a nest. So we're going to look at the pictures. Let's see here. Oops, put that up there. And that up there. So there's more room. And I'm going to look at the pictures and I'm going to figure out which one is going to come first. So, oh, there go the classroom lights again. This is a picture of a robin getting sticks off the ground. So that's the one that's going to go first. So I am going to put glue on the back of that one. And stick it down on the left side of the paper. We always go from left to right. Okay? And then, let's see, the robin carries some sticks up to the tree. So there's that. A little pile of sticks starting to build a nest there. So that one goes next. So collecting sticks, putting them up on the tree. Right? The robin's going to keep collecting sticks and building the nest until it's done. And then the robin is done building the nest, and now there are eggs that the robin laid in the nest. So we will put that one down next. And you know what? I should move these actually down a little bit because, let's see if I can do that. I have a little, I forgot about the words that go with it. So I'm moving the pieces down to the bottom of the paper. Thankfully the glue has not quite dried yet, so there we go. There's the whole story of the robin building the nest. And then you had some words that came with this too. This says robin. A robin makes a nest of twigs and grass. She lays blue-green eggs in the nest. So then you're going to glue that up on top above your story. There, like that. All right? Then you're going to turn your paper over to the other side that doesn't have anything on it, and you're going to do the next story there. And this one is about robin eggs hatching into baby robins. All right, so the first thing you have to do with this one is cut it apart again, right, on those dotted lines. All right, and then I'm going to put them all the pieces up on top so I can see them all to figure out which goes first. All right, so let's see here. Let's see, that's one going to get, okay, so here we have a picture of a robin sitting on a nest keeping the eggs warm. So that's going to be the first picture. Stick that there, put it towards the bottom. There we go. And then, let's see, the little robins hatch out of their eggs. The glare is really bad, especially because the lights went off. So there we go. And then the robin goes, one of the parent robins, the mom or the dad robin, go and collect some worms for the baby robins. And the robin brings the worms to the baby robins. Alright, and then the baby robins are getting fed so well by the mama and daddy robin that they have gotten really big. And the last picture is of the baby robins. They've grown up quite a bit. They are on a branch now out of their nest, and they are still being fed by their mom or dad robin. But it looks like they might be ready to start learning how to fly. So there is the story of the baby robins. So then we have the little words that go with the story. It says, eggs hatch. Mother robin sits on her eggs to keep them warm. Baby robins hatch from the blue-green eggs. So that is what you're going to glue right up at the top here. All right, so then you have the robin's hatching story on this side and the robin's building a nest story on this side. So that is what I have to share with you today. I hope you have a great rest of your day. I will see some of you today at 10:30 for small group, and don't forget about packet pickup on Friday. Oh wait, no small group today at 10:30. I'm sorry, I forgot. We have a play date today at 10:30. So no small group because there's a play date, all right? So everyone have a great day. Hopefully I will see you at the play date. Bye, everyone.